Today we're diving into a natural and fascinating spice that might help you on your weight loss journey, saffron. Stick around for the full video to learn how this golden spice works, how to use it, and what science says about its effectiveness. Let's get started. Saffron is a spice derived from the Crocus sativus flower, commonly known as the saffron crocus. It's one of the most expensive spices in the world, and for good reason. Not only does it add a unique flavor to dishes, but it's also packed with health benefits. But did you know it could help with weight loss too? Let me explain. So, how does saffron actually help with weight loss? Research suggests that saffron may suppress appetite. Studies show it can reduce hunger and snacking, reduce emotional eating. Saffron is known to improve mood by increasing serotonin levels, helping you avoid stress eating. Boost metabolism. Its compounds may enhance fat metabolism and energy use. Amazing, right? But how can you include it in your daily routine? There are 3 simple ways to use saffron. Saffron tea. Add a few threads to hot water, let it steep for 10 minutes, and enjoy. Cooking. Use saffron in your meals, like rice, soups, or even desserts. Supplements. If you're looking for convenience, saffron supplements are a great option. Always use pure, high-quality saffron to get the best results. Let's talk about the science. A study published in the journal Nutrition Research found that participants who took saffron extract experienced reduced hunger and snacking compared to those who didn't. Other studies suggest its mood-enhancing effects can curb emotional eating. This is why saffron is gaining popularity in the weight loss community. Now, while saffron is generally safe, it's important to use it in moderation. Too much can lead to side effects like dizziness or nausea. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medications, consult your doctor before using saffron. A pinch a day is usually all you need. Many people have shared their success stories with saffron. From controlling their cravings to feeling more energetic, it's incredible to see how this spice is helping transform lives. If you've tried saffron, share your experience in the comments below. To sum it up, saffron is not a magic bullet, but it's definitely a helpful tool for managing weight. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more nutrition content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, if you think your loved ones would benefit from this, please like and share the video.